all rise for our opening prayer. For those who are Catholics, please do the sign of the cross, and those who are not, they may not.
Almighty God, our source and life, we thank you for all the blessings you have given to us. Thank you for giving us another day to learn something. May your light guide us prayers, guide us and our teacher as we study and create new learnings for classes. We pray in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good
morning, Mom. Today, I am Teacher Angel, and I will be your teacher for today's class. Now, before we start our class, let me first introduce the set of rules. Oh, please sit down. Sorry. So before we start with our class, please be reminded of the set of rules that will be the guide for you on how to behave inside my class. Please read, everybody.
Choose a comfortable distraction-free seat.
Avoid talking with seatmates.
Listen attentively and participate.
Mute your cell phone. Use only when allowed.
Are these rules clear to you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it seems that you really have understood our rules. Now, before we go anywhere else, let me ask you, what have we discussed last meeting? Sunshine?
The lesson we have discussed last meeting was all about multiplying polynomials.
Now, how do you multiply polynomials? Rachel?
To multiply polynomials, we can choose two different methods, the distributive property and the Cohen method, but we can only use Cohen method in multiply two numbers.
Okay, are there any questions regarding that matter, class?
None, ma'am.
Since there is none, then let us have an activity. So this is called Crack the Clue. Now I have here, before that, group yourselves into three first. No, I will group you na lang. Okay, that will be the group 1, group 3, this will be the group 2, and you 3 will be the group 1. Now all you have to do here is that I have here envelopes. Now these envelopes contain words that if you arrange them properly, they will be the answer to the riddles given, pasted on the chalkboard, whiteboard rather. Now all you have to do is to arrange these words and paste it in front to answer the riddle. Is my instruction clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Group 1, group 2, I will give you 3 minutes to do your task. Okay, very good. It seems that everyone has finished their task before the time ends. Now let us check your answers if it is correct. Now, number 1, what do you think is the answer to the first riddle?
Trigonometry.
Let's find out. Correct. Trigonometry is the answer for the first riddle. So check number 1, group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now the second riddle Protractors. Correct. Correct, correct, and correct. Now each number will be equal to 5 points. So you will have 15 points in total if you get everything right. Now for the third riddle, very good. You have answered the questions correctly. Now each of you have 15 points in total. Now give everybody a round of applause. Okay, what do you think are these riddles all about? Are they somewhat related to trigonometry? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Indeed, they are related to trigonometry. It seems that you have grasped a little about our discussion. Now, since that you have understood the lesson, let us have another set of activity. Okay. So this is called another activity. Another activity. Now I have here with me diagrams or illustrations of right triangles containing different values. Now I will distribute it to you with the same group, and all you have to do is, are you familiar, is to find the measures of the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay? Okay, this will be for the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Just write your answers. After you answer your activities, paste it on the chalkboard and select one representative to present your answers. Okay, group 1 representative, please send your answer.
So sine is 3 over 5, which is the opposite of this angle over the hypotenuse. Then the cosine is the adjacent, adjacent over hypotenuse. Then the tangent over opposite over adjacent. Such hypotenuse over opposite. The second is equals to 5 over 4, then the tangent is 4 over 2.
Okay, very good. Please clap your hands to the group. Now, group representative, please present your answers.
So here is our illustration, and the sine theta is equal to 6 over 8, cosine theta is 7 over 8, tangent theta 6 over 7, cosecant theta is 8 over 6, secant theta 8 over 7, and cotangent theta is 7 over 6.
Correct.
is our diagram. The sign theta is the opposite over adjacent is 1/9. The cosine theta 4/9. The tangent theta is 1/4. The cosine theta is 9/1 or 9. The secant theta is 9/4. And the cotangent theta is 4/1 or 4.
Are the answers correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's all correct. Now clap your hands to everybody for doing a great job. Now what have you noticed from the numbers that you have answered a while ago? Okay, Trina?
So it's all about the six trigonometric ratios.
So do you think these ratios have special names? Yes, you have mentioned earlier that these numbers have special names, so they are called the six trigonometric ratios, and this is what we are going to talk about this morning. So our topic for today is all about the six trigonometric ratios. But before that, let me present the objectives for us to be guided on what to achieve at the end of the discussion. Okay, now please read.
At the end of the lesson, given the materials and examples, the student should be able to do the following with at least 75% level of accuracy. Define the six trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Illustrate the six trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Find the value of the six trigonometric ratios from a given triangle. Determine which trigonometric ratio is most appropriate to use based on the given sides and angles in the problem. Design a visual chart that explains the six trigonometric ratios with clear diagrams and formulas, and appreciate the importance of teamwork and group activities.
So you help me achieve these objectives, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're clear now. Let us discuss about the six trigonometric ratios. So the six trigonometric ratios is in a right triangle. We can define it actually. In a right angle, we can define actually the six trigonometric ratios. So in this triangle, we let theta represent the given angle. So the side that is next to the given angle, so this one is called the adjacent side, and what lies across is the opposite side. And as we all know that the longest leg of a right triangle is always the hypotenuse. Okay. Now the six trigonometric ratios for a specific angle is given as sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equal to the adjacent side to theta over the hypotenuse. Tangent theta is opposite side over the adjacent side. Tapos, cotangent theta is adjacent side over the opposite side, or it can be called as 1 over tangent theta. The second side is hypotenuse over adjacent side, and the cosecant theta is hypotenuse over the opposite side. Now we have this mnemonic aid for the six trigonometric ratios. Are you familiar with the sokat, the wako, shakao?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you know that, then you will understand this illustration. Okay, so sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. Secant is hypotenuse over the adjacent, and the cosecant is hypotenuse over the opposite side. So is this illustration clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us have another activity. So I have here 3 Manila papers, and each Manila paper contains illustration of contains details about a certain right triangle. So all you have to do is to label this and find the six trigonometric ratios of the given triangle. 2, 1, and 3. So in this group, there is one. So in your group, there should be a calculator or the recorder, the one who calculate, the presenter who will explain the solution, and the checker who verifies the calculation, and in our case, who creates the visual representation of your triangle. Now here is the criteria for judging. So the filtered accuracy, organization, and presentation and delivery. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think that you are all guided with these rubrics, and I will give you 5 minutes to do your task. Please continue doing your work. Okay, everyone finished before the time ends. Now, let us ask each presenters to justify or to present what they have answered during the activity. Okay, group one representative.
Okay, good morning. So this is our illustration, and our given angle here is this written as angle A. So our sine ratio is sine is equal to 11 over 18, and the cosine ratio is equal to 12 over 18. The tangent ratio is equal to 11 over 12. The cosecant ratio is equal to 11 over 18. The secant ratio is equal to 18 over 11, and the cotangent ratio is equal to 12 over 11. That's
Okay. So for the content and accuracy, what do you think will be given? 5. For the organization, okay, 5. What about the presentation or delivery?
1, 2.
Okay, Okay, for the second group.
Rusher, go away.
Minus 10 na po.
So the given measurements are the opposite is 5 centimeters, the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, and the adjacent is 12 centimeters. And we're going to find the ratios for the angle here, which is B. So for sine B, this is equal to 5 over 13, cosine B 12 over 13. Tangent B is equal to 5 over 12, cosecant B is 13 over 5. Second B is 13 over 12, and the tangent B is 12 over 5.
Okay, what do you think is lacking here? What do you think is lacking? Is 33 right angle. So, how many points will be given for content accuracy? 4. The organization?
5.
The delivery? 5. Very good. Now, group 3 representative.
So our sorry, the height, the longer side is the hypotenuse, 17 same. The opposite side is 8 cm and the adjacent is the 15 cm. And we're going to find the ratio of the angle C. Sin C is 8 over 17. Cosine C is 15 over 17. Tangent C is 8 over 15. Cosecant C is 17 over 8. Secant C is 17 over 15 and the cotangent C is 15 over.
Minus 1. Okay. So for the organization, 5. And the delivery, 5 for a total of 14. The second group is 14 and the first group is 14. It seems that you are all tied. Everyone did a great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. So it seems that you have understood our discussion, and let us have a quiz. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes will suffice for you to answer all of these questions and pass it to me after you have your answers. Okay, is everybody done? Okay, pass your papers. Finished or not finished? Okay, very good. You have finished your quiz. Now for the assignment, please copy this link. I will send it to our GC afterwards. But this will be the link for our assignment. Okay? You can take a picture or whatever. Okay, thank you class for listening. Have a great day and thank you.